Well, hello everyone and welcome to this full Linktree tutorial for beginners. Ever find yourself wishing you could share more than just one link in your Instagram bio or YouTube description? Well, today's tutorial has got you covered. We're going to be exploring Linktree, the incredibly popular platform and easy to use tool that solves this exact problem. Linktree lets you create a mini website with all your important links. Some of the awesome features we'll be covering include drag and drop link management, social media icons, video embedding, and the ability to collect email addresses. So, whether you're a creator, a business owner, or you just want a central hub for all your online goodies, Linktree is your answer. So stick around for this full beginner's guide where I'll be showing you step by step how to create and customize your own Linktree like a pro. Right away, you can see a nice looking website right here, and you can see product, templates, marketplace, learn, and pricing. When you come over to product by hovering your mouse over it, you can see link in bio plus tools, manage your social media, monetize your following, measure your success. Now, with each of these features, you have sub options right here. So you have link in bio, link shortener, and this is a great tool if you'd like to shorten your link. And then you have a QR generator. And then you also have Manage Your Social, where you can schedule an auto post, Instagram auto reply, AI content and caption generator, hashtag generator, social integration for every social platform. So you can see the popular ones right here: Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Threads, and YouTube, of course. So these are the different products you can see here, and of course you can also monetize with Linktree and measure your success. Now you have templates also, and you also have a marketplace as we mentioned, but we're also going to be looking at the pricing. So you get to pick your plan and make it yours, and with Linktree you have two options. You could pay monthly or you could pay annually. Of course, when you get to pay annually, you get to save about 17%. The free plan comes with unlimited links, social icons, videos, and embeds. You also have essential analytics, SEO optimization, and high converting design. You also get a unique QR code. This is a good deal. But also you have the starter at $4 per month when you're paying annually, and then you have your different features applied to this plan. And then you have the Pro, which is popular. It comes at $7.50 per month, and you get everything in the starter, plus personalized link tree, highlight key links, and comprehensive analytics amongst other options. Then you have the Premium, which is the highest plan at $19.50 USD per month when paid annually, and you can see everything in Pro with these other add-ons. Right away, we're going to click on sign up for free. If this is your first time, of course you can log in to follow along. So let's click on sign up for free. Now with Linktree, you can use your email to continue signing up, or you can make things easier by using the sign up with Google if you have a Google account, or sign up with Apple if that's your preference. We're going to be choosing sign up with Google, then we will be choosing an account we'd like to use. Then go ahead and confirm by clicking on continue. And so here you have welcome to Linktree, and you get to choose your Linktree username. It says you can always change it later, so you might not want to spend too much time thinking about it. However, if you do have your username in mind already, you can go ahead and put one. We're going to be using Super Dean. So that's going to be our username, and great, it's available. So you can see that it's available by seeing the green tick right here. So let's go ahead and click on continue. And then on this page, you get to choose what best describes your goal for using Linktree. Either you're using it as a creator to build your following and explore ways to monetize your audience, or you're having a business where you want to grow and reach more customers. And of course, you have the personal option where you get to share links with your friends and acquaintances. So regardless of the option you choose, it will be followed by some other steps. So we're going to go ahead and choose business, grow my business, and reach more users. Click and continue. So you're going to choose your business category. Either you're into beauty, retail and commerce, restaurants and cafes, real estate, personal trainer, or other. So we're going to say other. So we'll be saying content creator. Click and continue. And so we have different options right here. You can choose the different ways you want to make money. For example, selling access to premium digital content, providing one-on-one client services. If you're into music, you want to use the streams option, or if you're into business, selling physical products online, you could also use this option. So we'll be picking these two, of course, and then you'll be picking what applies to you as well. And so at the bottom here, you can say continue, or you could just simply say, I'm just doing this for fun. So we're going to click on continue, and you have the option here to use the Linktree Pro, and you get the 7-day free trial. If you don't want it, you can go over to the top right area here and click on skip. Then you will be encouraged to choose a plan, either the starter, the pro, or the premium. For this tutorial, we'll be going for the free option and clicking get started. Now on this page, you'll need to select a template. It says pick a style that feels right, and you can add the content later. So you can choose a template or click on skip right here, but we'll be choosing one. So we're going to be choosing the second option from the list. There are many other options. We're just choosing this for this tutorial, then click and start with this template. Now on this page, you get to choose the platforms which you're on. So you can go with Instagram, YouTube, and in the other options which is applicable to you. So we're going to choose Pinterest as well. And then of course, click on continue, or you could choose all of these options. So we're going to be picking one more, say Facebook, right? So let's go ahead and click on continue. And here you're going to add your links. So this will help Linktree to create links and buttons for others to click on to get to your social platforms. So let's go ahead and add these information right here. Great, so right here we've added our links to Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, and Facebook. And at the bottom you could add other links if you want to, or if you have others that are not related to these platforms. Then when you're done, you can click on continue, and here it's finding the content based on the profiles added. And then next you can see add profile details, and it automatically generates some images based on the profiles which you provided. Then of course you have your profile title. You can edit this if you want, and then of course go ahead and click on continue. Click on continue. So you can see your profile icon, your username, and here you can find links to these profiles, right? Click on continue building. Of course, if you want to have a different plan, which you're encouraged once again to try it out, you can start a 7-day free trial where you can use the Pro and see what more it can do for you. We're going to be skipping on this for now. So finally, we're here on our Linktree account, and you can see the interface. On the right side right here, you can see Super Dean, and you can see the details right here. And once you click on any of these options, it's going to take you right to those social platforms. And then here you have your other social platforms such as YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. Basically what you added at the first instance. Now, if you'd like to make good use of your Linktree, all you'll need to do is to come over here to the top, click and copy your Linktree URL, and you can see it's copied. If you open a new web page and paste it there, you're going to see how it looks like. So here we pasted the link, and you can see Super Dean, welcome, I'm Dean, and here you'll find easy to follow tutorials. So you can see the links here. You could either click on them and they're going to take you to the social media platforms. And then when we scroll down, you can see the buttons right here as well. And then of course, if it's a visitor and they want to join Super Dean on Linktree, they can simply click on join Super Dean on Linktree. Now also on your Linktree profile, you can see how many clicks have actually taken place. So this is a great option where you get to track the performance of the different links, how many people have clicked on your YouTube, how many people have clicked on your Instagram or your Pinterest. You're going to get the data right here. And then when we move from links to shop, you're going to see this. Publish your shop. It's currently toggled off, and this is because we haven't set up a shop yet. But if this is your goal and this is your desire, all you need to do is to toggle this on and then click on add. Then you get to add a collection or a product. When you click on product, you can see explore and my product. We don't have any product right here, so it's currently blank. But if you click on explore, you can see the top retailers, and then you can see different products right here. So say if you choose this one right here, you could decide to add the product. This is great if you're trying to earn some money while using Linktree. You can see you'll need to earn at least $10 and be verified with our payment provider to withdraw. So this is a criteria if you'd like to earn or withdraw here. So if others follow your link, they can come to Linktree, and if they're interested, they can make a purchase from the link you provided or your product in your shop. So how do we know that this is possible? Well, if we go over to our Linktree link again, which you opened in a new tab, and refresh it, you're going to see again Super Dean. We just made a little change, and that's why it's dark right now. And you can see links, and if you click on shop, you'll see shop. So let's go ahead and add another product. So we're going to click on add once again, click on product, and say we want to add something else, right? So we're going to just add this, click on add product. You can see that the product has been added to our Linktree preview. That means when we follow the link, you see this right here in your shop. Now, as we proceed in our operation with Linktree, you will be interested in other aspects such as Earn. When you click on Earn, this is where you can get to share your experiences with an online course or share downloadable content. And under Audience, you get to have an overview of your audience field, such as your subscribers, those who have unsubscribed, those who are new in the last 7 days, and more analytics. This will help you to know how well you are performing on your different platforms. And then you have analytics. Analytics helps you to see how your links are performing. You can see so far we have about 4 views, 1 click, and 25% click rate. There are currently no subscribers, but you can wait for that to happen over a period of time. So these are great features right here on Linktree, which you can use to enhance your online experience as a business owner. Of course, you have Social Planner, where you can plan by Linktree in posting content at a later time, such as scheduling posts, getting synced up, and generating ideas for your content. Great options available right here on Linktree. Then, of course, you have your Instagram auto reply and link shortener. If you'd like to shorten a link, you can use this option to shorten one. You get to shorten a link and generate QR code. So if we click on generate QR code, we can come over here and paste in our link. So we're just going to paste a random link right here. And as we paste it, automatically it's begun shortening the link. When we scroll back up, you can see how short the long link is. You can have a copy of this link, or you could copy the QR code. Awesome, right? So this is where Linktree is pretty awesome, where you can use it to do a range of options, a range of stuff, shorten a link, create a link for different uses. Don't forget to upgrade in case you need more features to add to your Linktree experience and do the most with it. We hope at this point you, as a beginner, is able to use Linktree to enhance and improve your online experience and grow your business, grow your brand, or reach more people using Linktree. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.